There are lots of countries in the world with various jaw-dropping view, adventurous and beautiful places. Different ethnic groups and people following different culture and tradition that can hold your eyesight forever. Among all of these variations, today we are going to talk about Nepal. Nepal. Officially, the Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal is a South Asian country bordered by gigantic Himalayan mountain range on north, whereas Great Flat Plains called Tarai on the south. Nepal is also a landlocked country enclosed by two big great masses, that is India on the east, the west and the south, whereas China on the north. Boasts its diverse ethnicity, rich culture and awe-inspiring natural beauty. Nepal is truly a God's playground with stunning majestic mountains, dramatic landscapes and mesmerizing lakes. With a wide variety of flora and fauna, Nepal holds some of the rarest creatures on earth, such as the one-horned rhino, Bengal tiger, red panda, spiny babbler and the rarest wildflower, rhododendron, which is also the national flower of the nation. We are listing some of the most interesting fun facts about Nepal. The most baffling fact about Nepal is that all of the following remarkable things happen within the area of 147,181 square kilometers. And let's get started with the video. Map of Nepal and Portugal are similar. Nepal and Portugal are alike in the world map. They both have similar rectangular territory. If the map of Nepal is drawn 90 degrees clockwise, it looks very similar to the map of Portugal. Unique Nepali calendar. Nepal has its own calendar system. The Nepali calendar system is called Bikram Sambat, which is approximately 67 years and 8.5 months ahead of Gregorian calendar. This implies the fact that they have their own new year, which is celebrated at the mid of April. Slaughtering cow is illegal in Nepal. As a national animal of the country, slaughtering of cows is illegal in Nepal. Although you can enjoy beef at different restaurants and eateries, it is not uncommon to see cows wandering around the streets of Kathmandu. Nepal is also an Amazon of Asia. In terms of biodiversity, Nepal is one of the richest countries in the world. It is rightfully called Amazon of Asia, as it is a home for the variety of unique species of flora and fauna. Nepal has more than 900 species of bird, which accounts to 8.9% of the total species of bird all around the world. It has 4.2% of the world's butterfly species and 3.96% of the world's mammal species. Kathmandu is a living cultural museum. Nepal is a culturally rich country. There are dozens of World Heritage Sites categorized as Natural and Cultural World Heritage Site. Kathmandu Valley alone has 7 UNESCO's World Heritage Cultural Sites within a radius of 15 kilometers. No wonder Kathmandu is known to be the living cultural museum of the world. Mount Everest. Nepal has 8 out of 10 of the world's highest mountains, including the world's highest mountain, Mount Everest, standing 8,848 meters high. Mount Everest is also called Sagarmatha in Nepali and Chomolungma by the local Sherpas and Tibetans. Thousands of trekkers visit to Everest Base Camp and hike to Kalapathar to catch the glimpse of Mount Everest closely. Nepal is the birthplace of Lord Buddha. Nepal is the birthplace of Light of Asia. Siddhartha Gautama, or Gautam Buddha was born in 623 BC in Kapilvastu, Lumbini, which lies in the Nepal. Lumbini is now a sacred place of pilgrimage for Buddhists all around the world. There are different relics around Mayadevi temples, which dates back to the time during Buddha's birth. Nepal has the only triangular flag. Nepal is the only country in the world with a non-rectangular flag. Nepal's flag is maroon color with two triangles shaped stacked on one another with a dark blue border showing bravery and unity respectively. The upper triangle consists of moon and the lower triangle consists of the sun. This denotes that until and unless the sun and moon exist, Nepal will also remain till then. The current flag has been in the place since 1962, although the basic design has been used for over 2000 years in Nepal. Nepal has always been an independent country. The famous warriors in the world, Gurkhas, are from Nepal. Having been protected by the bravest warriors of the world, Nepal do not celebrate Independence Day as it was never colonized by any superpower in the world. Once a great warrior, Field Marshal Sam Manekeswa said, "If a man says he is not afraid of dying, he is either lying or a Gurkha." This proves how brave the Gurkhas were. Nepal has a living goddess, that is Kumari. Nepal has the only living goddess in the world called Kumari. Kumari literally means virgin in Nepali. There are 3 different Kumaris in 3 main cities of Kathmandu Valley. Nepal is the last Hindu country. Nepal was the last Hindu country in the world when it was declared secular by the parliament in the year 2006. Although many religions harmoniously coexist in the country, 81.3% of the population in the country follows Hinduism. Nepal still has the highest population of Hindus in the world. Culture of Namaste. Handshake is quite uncommon in Nepal. People of Nepal put their palms together and bow their forehead and say Namaste or Tasi Dele in Sherpa communities. It can replace hello, hi, good morning and all other greetings, but Namaste is directly translated as I salute the God in you. Yeti resides in Nepal. The mysterious creature of the Himalayas, called Yeti, is said to be spotted in Nepalese Himalayas by many who have trodden the secluded path in the Himalayas. Sir Edmund Hillary even led an expedition to find the Yeti in 1958. Nepal has extreme altitude variation. Nepal is the only country with a wide altitude variation that ranges from 59 meters to 8,848 meters. Nepal holds some of the most extreme places on earth, such as the highest lake on the earth, that is Tilicho, at 4,800 meters, the highest valley on the earth, that is Arun Valley, the deepest gorge, which is Kaligandaki and lies at the altitude of 1,200 meters, and the tallest grassland in the world, that is Chitwan. Only country that worship dog. Unlike other countries, Nepal worship dog as their protector and guard. Dogs are worshipped on Tihar, which is considered to be one of the major festivals of the nation. Along with dogs, cow, ox and crow are also worshipped as Ganesh Lakshmi, field-plowing animal and messenger respectively. What do you think about our list of interesting fun facts about Nepal? Let us know by commenting below. And thank you for watching our content. Consider subscribing if you like our content. We will be back soon with newer videos. Till then, take care. Goodbye.